How's it going, bro? My name is Bayonaba. Welcome to
What's up, Stuart?
What's up, man?
You doing combos or what?
Yeah, fighting game on DS.
32? Damn.
Yeah, like combos, dude.
You think you can help me with combos, speaking of? For
Combos for what?
outro?
Oh, like factoring?
Yeah,
Yeah, I can help you out with that.
thanks.
Alright, let's see. Well, the special thing about factoring and combos is, well, it's gonna have a combination of usually two. So let me think of an equation that has a combo. Well, let me see. 3x squared minus 7. That's gonna be a combo. First, what we want to do is, well, we want to factor out something. So what can factor? It's gonna be 3. Factor out 3. X squared minus 9. Now that we got, this is not our answer. Alright, this is the answer, but it's not the complete answer. Now we got to do the second part of the combo, which in this case would be dots. Do you remember Miss Crispin always teaches us about dots? Anyways. You always leave the 3, you always factor it back, so we're always going to do that. Now, the special thing about x squared and negative 9 is that, well, they can be squared. So, it'd be x squared would be x, and there'd be a 3, then x, another 3. And all we have to do to finish is just put opposite sides. Plus, minus, and your answer would be x. Alright, so I'm going to give you another example of factoring the combo. Let's see. 3x cubed minus 12x squared minus 36x. Even though this is a bigger, longer equation than the last, it's still going to be the same. So what we're going to do is factor out something. We're going to factor out 3x. 3x, and right here that would leave us with x squared minus 4x, 12x. Alright. So, now, the second part would be, let's see, we're left with x squared minus 4x minus 12. What do we notice about that? We're going to use head. So that's what we're going to do. So what two numbers can we use that could be added to equal negative 4, but also be multiplied to equal negative 12? Let's think it would actually be negative 6 and positive 2. As always, we always keep our factor 3x outside. And then we're just left with x minus 6. Because negative 6 plus 2, negative 4. Negative 6 times 2. But multiply negative 6 plus 2, we'd get negative 12. So that would be your completely factored answer. Alright, so you guys need help with factoring grouping. Alright, so Alright, x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4x minus 8. Alright, so what you guys are going to notice is that there's no GCF between all four. So that's why we're going to group them. What I mean by that, we're going to group the first two together and the second two. Like we can tell by the first group that there is a common factor, which is x squared. Right, and that will leave us with x minus 2. And for the second group, we also notice that there's a common factor, which is 4. Positive 4 is x minus 2. Right, and then we notice that both terms have an x minus 2 in it. So those actually factor out. So what are we going to be left with is x minus 2. And what we're left with is x squared plus 4. And that's a simple way of, like, grouping it back. Alright, so another problem of grouping that we can use is it's a little different because instead of instead of numbers, it's going to have letters. Well, what I mean by this is that 15 AB, 18 AB, plus 5AC minus 6AB. Now, the idea is still the same. We're still going to make it into groups. We're going to read the first two and the last two. For the first one, right away we can tell we can factor out 3b. So what we do, we factor out the 3b, which leaves us with 5a minus 6b. And for this one, all we can factor out is c. And then we're left with 5a. We notice that both terms once again have 5a minus 6b, so those factor out.